Let's learn how to make a treble crochet. We need to chain 4 for the turning chain. The 5th chain is where we'll work the stitch. Okay, we need to yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the 5th chain. Yarn over again, and pull up a loop. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over again, and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again, and pull through the next 2 loops. Yarn over again, and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Great! 1 treble crochet completed. Repeat the same process for the next one. You did it! Keep up the great work!